I'm 10 Tampa Bay's meteorologist Grant Gilmore. Now, out ahead of a hurricane, the most important thing to protect is your family. The second most important thing, that's your home, and that starts with your windows. Now, you may have heard to use duct tape to put X's on the windows to hold the glass in place, but if something were to actually hit those windows, those X's of duct tape might actually create larger shards of glass, potentially being more dangerous than if you hadn't put the duct tape on in the first place. Get rid of the idea of duct tape. Now, there are a number of ways to cover your windows. I like to use a fabric shutter. Now, rolling shutters are another great alternative, but they're pretty expensive, but all you have to do is push a button to cover your windows. But you can buy these shutters. They're hurricane rated. They come in clear or aluminum. They're great because they overlap and they secure really well, but they could cost you well over $1,000 once you've covered all the windows over your home. Now, the most economical way to cover your window is to use plywood. Now, the most important thing with this is make sure your plywood is 3/4 of an inch thick. Measure your windows and pre-drill your holes ahead of time, which will make installation a lot easier when the storm's coming.